Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Looney, and today we're going to go over no trades. Literally no moves made, and I'm going to explain why I made no trades today. And that's because sometimes doing nothing is actually doing something. Right now, we are in a bullish trend. Some might say a bull market, and there's no doubt with that. We're seeing upward trends. My account is up 3% the past week, past month up 7%. My account total is at 51,000. And right now I have about 7,500 cash just waiting. That's over 13% of my entire portfolio just sitting on the sidelines. Let's talk about why. I know I've mentioned this a lot, but I do want to do a plug for my Discord, and it is a free opportunity to join. And then I also have a paid membership where you get call outs or trade call outs, one-on-one coaching. There's a course and I do giveaways. You can check it out. All links to it will be in the description. But I do go over this a lot, and I say that cash is a position. A lot of my videos, I do go over that. And right now it's really important for me to use this. The market is running. Things are looking bullish, but when you zoom out, things feel a little overheated, and this isn't the time to FOMO in. Volatility is low. If we look at VIX and just look at it, it's at the 17 mark. And this isn't low, but it is pushing towards the downside. It was in the past week down 1%. So really, I might do more trades, but as of now, I'm not going all in. I'm not FOMOing in because I am aware that VIX can spike at any moment, and that's really when I am looking to unload. So maybe I'm getting a little too comfortable, but that's usually when surprises happen. So I didn't sell any puts. I didn't sell any calls. I didn't even do any credit spreads today. I'm just simply watching levels, watching volume, and just watching sentiment. If we look at SoFi today, this is one of my biggest holders. I am up 5% on the day, up 291, and my calls and my credit spreads are taking a hit. And I could double down, but right now I'm just sitting on my hands, waiting to see if we see any more kind of upward direction. Then if we do upward direction, then I'll look to deploy capital, either doing credit spreads, or if it dips, maybe doing a put sell. So overall, I am being patient. I'm not just sitting with cash doing nothing. I am waiting to strike. So when volatility does pick up, I'll be ready to sell puts, open new spreads, or even pick up shares at better levels. But I do refuse to chase. And if we don't get this pullback, I still win because I already got winning positions open. It's not about forcing trades. It's about waiting for the right ones. So if I go to Riot, one of my biggest positions, up 1% today and overall 14%. It takes up 22% of my portfolio. In the past month, it's almost up 20%. So just simply looking at this, there's definitely a better opportunity to invest into Riot, even though I do see growth long-term. Short-term volatility, I do not know. Long-term, I do see this stock going up to 15, and that's probably where I'll decide to take some profit. But as of now, I'm just simply holding it, and I do have some covered calls that I'm probably going to have to roll because they're in the money, and I do have some credit spreads that I might have to manage or close early. But until then, I'm just simply holding. Same situation with Mara. Same thing. This one didn't pump as hard. This one actually died down a little bit today, but past month it is still down actually, but past week up 6%. So if any of them, this would probably be the one that I would try to sell puts. And that's what I am doing. I do have a few puts open on Mara, around 4,000 collateral locked up on Mara on this position. And we'll see where this goes. I might sell more puts, but as of now, I do have $7,000 in cash. I'm not rushing to deploy. I do like Hood. I do think Hood is a great stock, and I do see the stock going to 100. but it's hard to invest on green days, in my opinion. And then same with Rocket Labs. I know that Rocket Labs, we were seeing a lot of upward direction. And I think yesterday it did dip a lot. So it dropped almost 12%. So I do like this stock too, but I'm simply just holding. A lot of these stocks I do like. The only thing I did buy today was Sony, because I buy this every day, no matter what, $8 a day. And this one is down 1%. So actually not bad investment, because you do want to be buying on the red days. And then Hood, it is up, but again, it's okay. I'm only doing $2 a day. I'm up $6 or 3%. And that is a beginner level strategy. If anyone is wondering, it's a DCA, small amounts. Same with crypto. Crypto is down today. I took profit recently, but overall, I'm not going crazy on crypto. I mean, if we look at just Ethereum, and Ethereum does get a bad rep sometimes, this one is up 12% on the month. So not putting serious capital into these positions just yet. And I'm not rushing in because my account itself jumped 7%. The chance of it jumping another 7% is a lot less likely than it dropping. So just simply holding cash, waiting for that opportunity. Maybe if the VIX goes to $20 or one of my stocks does drop to its lower Bollinger Band. Because if we even look at Riot and we expand it, and we go to this 1 month chart, it's still towards the higher side of the Bollinger Band. So it does have room to go down and has very little room to go up. So if you're in a spot where you feel like you're missing out because you missed out on the April opportunity or the Elon versus Trump opportunity, just remember, smart money waits. You don't need to trade every day. You need to trade the right days. If you want more real-time insight into how I'm managing this market, join the free Discord. And if you want my full breakdowns, coachings, and options course, check out the premium. It's $8 a month. Link in the description. Stay smart, stay patient, and don't let the green candles rush your decisions. Peace.